So Walmart has a high-end beauty advent calendar out, and we're gonna open it up. This is supposedly a $141 value, and they're selling it for $39. Ooh. Babe Lash Essential Serum, 6-week supply. Okay, I just looked it up and this size actually goes for $29 on the brand's website. So we've almost covered the whole calendar with just this product. All right, 2's down here. I really should not have painted my nails right before doing this. Virtue Restorative Treatment Mask. Okay, so this is a hair mask. Okay, the size is questionable because I have a lot of hair. I mean, I would use way more than this if I was doing a normal hair mask. 3. Lancer Nourish Rehydration Mask. Okay, the lash serum is definitely the best thing so far. 4. Ooh, okay. It's a Slip Silk Skinny Scrunchie. There's only one in this pack, but usually a 2-pack costs $16. So this is like an $8 value. We've got another big slot for 5. Mario Badescu? There are 6 pimple patches in this little packet. So these usually come in a box of 60 for $17. So this is a little under $2 value. 6. Kevyn Aucoin. We have a mini Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Lip. This exact size goes for $13 on the Kevyn Aucoin website. So we have definitely exceeded now the price of this box with what's inside. Archive the Future Youth Treatment Mask. This is a hair mask, vegan and cruelty-free. Now, this is a size I can work with. And this exact size goes for $6.50 on the Selfridges website. 8. Huh? There's nothing there. It fell down. It just dropped to the bottom. Serve Chilled Rosé Eye Gels. Love that. These normally come in a jar of 30 pairs for $50. So this is again about under $2 value. Number 9 looks small. Oh, okay. Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Kind of looks like a charcoal mask. That smells great. 10. Philip B. Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. Well, this mini size is sold for $15, so. Ooh. That smells good. 11. Ugh, this box is falling apart. Eve Lom Moisture Cream. I don't recognize this brand, but a 30 milliliter jar goes for $75, and this is 8. So this is like a $20 mini sample. Am I doing that math right? Last one. A candle. Cinnamon Spice. This is super cute and very giftable. Pretty. This is normally $10 by itself. So the value is definitely there. You're getting more back than what you paid for. In terms of the product selection, I would personally give it like a 7.5 out of 10. I would have liked to see more makeup. What do you think? Is this advent calendar from Walmart worth it?